We'll guide you through how to fix Dropbox not syncing. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open Dropbox on your computer and make sure you're logged in with the correct account. Sometimes, the simplest fix is to ensure you're connected to the internet, so double-check your network connection. Next, click on the Dropbox icon in your taskbar or system tray. This opens a small window. Click on your profile picture or initials in the top right corner of this window to open the menu. Then choose Preferences. In the Preferences window, go to the Sync tab. Make sure that Selective Sync is set correctly. Selective Sync lets you choose which folders sync to your computer. If any folders aren't syncing, they might be unchecked here. Go ahead and check the boxes next to the folders you want to sync and click Update. If everything looks good and you're still having issues, you might need to restart Dropbox. Click on your profile picture again and select Quit Dropbox. Then, reopen the application from your desktop or Start menu. This can refresh the syncing process. If the issue persists, ensure your Dropbox software is up to date. You can do this by going to the Account tab in Preferences and checking for updates. Also, make sure your computer's operating system is current, as outdated systems can cause syncing issues. Finally, check if your Dropbox storage is full. You won't be able to sync new files if you've reached your storage limit. Upgrading your plan or deleting unnecessary files can solve this. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.